Hello everyone, this is me Rakhi Vyas from Jadwar campus. And as we know, in pandemic situation, always we come up with some funny, tasty and something new. So today we are going to arrange our session on the topic fireless cooking. As we know, because of this pandemic and COVID situation, somewhere the mamas are confused what to cook for their kids. So today I just want to introduce our guest who is Janvi Daima, who is the best baker, cooker, and at the same time, you can say homemaker. Yes, hello, Janvi ji.
Rakhi ji, I would like to first of all thank you Jadava Group and to Rakhi ma'am for giving me the opportunity to present my recipes or to share my recipes with the students so they can also enjoy the healthy snacks or healthy foods.
Right.
So today, as we have already mentioned that we are making a fireless recipe where the children from the standard first to fifth, they don't require any gas, stove or oven or anything. With just the help of few ingredients, they can make a recipe and they can enjoy it. During this lockdown or pandemic situation, it is very difficult for every mother to provide a good, healthy, or I would say good quality of food to the kids because they are more attractive to the junk food nowadays. So I would like to share a recipe which is very healthy as well as which is very easy for a student also to prepare it and to enjoy it. So let's start it. I already soaked the lentils. It is called as a matki. So we'll make a sprout bhel today, okay? With a combination of mixed vegetable. So I have just prepared few ingredients for the recipe. These are the vegetables I have prepared for the recipe and few spices to make it more healthy and to make it more tasty. Okay, so let's start. I will first add this sprouts in the bowl, 1 cup of a bowl. So as per your requirement or as per your family members, you can add the quantity. Here I am taking for the quantity of 2 to 3 members. So according to your need, you can take less or add the quantity accordingly. Okay. So in these sprouts, we'll add few vegetables first. As kids throw the tantrums, they don't want to eat the vegetables. So this is the best way you can give them the vegetables. This is the green, yummy capsicum we are adding to the sprout bhel. Kids doesn't like to eat this directly as a vegetable, as a sabji, I would say. So you can add it in the bhel. This is cabbage. We'll add sweet corn. Even you can mix some other sprouts also, like green chana or brown chana or green moong, as per your taste. Here I have taken only matki. So you can add 2 sprouts also. Tomatoes. Fine chopped onions. So see, without any spices or anything, how tempting it is looking. Kids will love to eat this directly without throwing any tantrums. We'll add some spices to this bhel now. I'm taking the salt. Take it as per your taste. This is cumin powder. A pinch of chaat masala. It will add a fragrance to the bhel. Some black pepper powder. See, even though we have put the tomato in this chaat, I'm still adding a lemon juice because it has a different taste. And during this lockdown, it is very necessary to take the intake of vitamin C. So it will add a different taste as well as it will boost up your immune system also. So we'll mix it well. Kids are very crazy about cheese, paneer, butter. So you can add a few pieces of cheese or few crushed paneer also. See, this is looking very tempting. Mix it well. You can add few leaves of garnish first in the recipe. So the recipe is ready. It is very less time consuming and it is very yummy also at the same time. Let's serve it in the bowl. I'm sure kids are must feeling from the screen to have it right now. Please try it with your mother. See how beautiful and yummy it is looking. You can enjoy with your family. I will call to my daughter. She will let you know how it is in the taste actually. Prapti.
Yes,
Yes,
mom.
yes.
Wow.
Go ahead.
Mm.
Is it tasty?
Yes.
So kids have enjoyed the recipe. Enjoy the sprout game. You can mix cheese and you can mix the paneer pieces also. I hope you like the recipe and keep watching the videos and keep enjoying the healthy recipes. Sure, we'll be coming soon next week with a few more recipes which the children can make it very easily. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
Janvi ji, please courier that bell to me as well, because it's like as that Prapti had that kind of response, no yummy. So really, it is going to be very difficult for me to sit over here and just see that, tempting bhel over there. So please courier it to me. So definitely I will test it. Okay, thank you so
We'll
much,
courier it right
Janvi,
now.
for
Thank
giving
you.
us
Bye-bye.
your valuable timing as well. Thank you so much for joining with us. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.